I have y equals sine of theta over 1 plus cosine of theta, and I square that, to take the derivative, chain rule, bring the 2 down front, leave the inside alone, subtract 1, so that just becomes the first power. Now times the derivative of the inside. Well, the inside is a quotient rule. So now I'm just looking at this, finding this derivative, which says leave the bottom alone, times the derivative of the top. Well, the derivative of sine is cosine, minus leave the top alone, which is the sine, times the derivative of the bottom. Well, the derivative of 1 is 0. The derivative of cosine is minus sine, big old negative sign, all over the bottom squared. So I can rewrite this a little bit. 2 sine theta over 1 plus cosine theta. I just brought that down. And then up here at the top, I'm going to distribute this cosine. So I'm going to end up with cosine theta plus cosine squared theta. I'm going to multiply negative sine times a negative sine, so that's going to be plus sine squared theta all over 1 plus cosine theta squared. As you can see, this piece right here equals 1. So I'm going to be left with 2 times sine theta 1 plus cosine theta. And up here I'm going to have cosine theta, and then that piece became 1. And I can separate this on the bottom. In fact, I can rewrite it as cosine theta plus 1 times cosine theta plus 1. Doesn't matter the order, because now you can see that that cancels. And so I end up with 2 times, all I have on the top is the sine, and on the bottom, notice I have 2 of these left, so whichever order you want to write it in, squared.